What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a tour on Engine 11 here at Station 1. I'm the chief of the station. Today we're doing a tour on Engine 11. If you didn't see my last video, we did a tour on Medic 1. Here's Medic 1. So this is Engine 11. The doors are... This is not my game, by the way. So you can have CBAs are in the back. We got one in the front. So there is, I believe there is at least, let me look. 5, yeah, okay, I just looked. There's 5 CBAs in Engine 11. So 5 people can mask up out of this rig, including the officer seat. That's also a spot. This is Engine 11. We got all our lines. Like if I hold this, so if I hold E down, a line will come out. We actually got to charge a line. I'm going to put this line up because we're not on a fire. And we got all our lines here. We have 3 connects. We have all these. We got a supply line. We also have the pump panel here. You actually got to pull these out to run the pump. So I'm pretty sure this is after the medic. This is our nose rig. So this thing's the second nose rig the company owns. So it has to, yeah, this is nose rig. So fire up. Other than the EMSs. Here's what it sounds like. We'll get a siren check for y'all guys. We got our headlights. One. This is our engine, 2 and siren. So hopefully y'all like this rig. Like I said, this is our second nose rig. The next video we will be doing a tour on rescue / hazmat. I'll get y'all a quick look on
Sorry,
rescue
I didn't get that.
hazmat.
The internet isn't reachable.
Yeah, it's our rescue / hazmat. So that's basically the video. If you would like to join me in any of the videos I do, you can join. You can add me off of my YouTube username. Just copy and paste that username and put it in on friends on Discord. You can add me. Or search up Norman County Fire and Rescue Discord server. Just put Norman County Fire and Rescue. My Discord server will pop up. You can join there, or if you want to do some emergency response to the county roleplay. I believe if you go to post on YouTube, I do have my Discord link in there, or you can copy and paste my username. You can friend me, and we can do it that way. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.